Okay, what we have here is an ancient two-coil Delahaye voltage regulator, and it is hooked up with one new coil and one original cutout relay to a generator. Now this generator is isolated and is not part of the vehicle's battery or anything. What we have instead is an independent battery over here, measuring 12.1 volts static, and it is hooked up appropriately to our B circuit field generator. Now right now the vehicle is idling, and you can see with the regulator in the system we're at 12.95 volts, and excuse me here. Now it's going to regulate up, that's about 13.1415. That's what the regulator is doing right now, and it's doing it accurately. Alright, so yeah, and even at idle, you know, it's regulating properly. So that's our story, and a lot of work to put that regulator together. We'll talk about it more. Thank you for watching.